about we put our balls in the bowl?
That sounds like a good idea.
Balls in bowl. Gently, don't break my balls. We'll catch all that later.
Oh.
Yay.
What?
You should see the look on her face when she saw that the video camera was rolling.
Yeah. I don't blame her.
And exit stage anywhere else but here. How are we doing this?
Where
What
are
we
the
doing?
Where are the pins that came with this?
They're on the table there somewhere. They're in little packets.
I didn't see them.
They're on the table. I didn't know you were planning to use them at all.
Well, I don't know
If we have to, or if we can get by without them.
Oh, I found them.
You found them. I'm just throwing all that stuff towards the sink. We'll dish it all out later.
Okay.
Now, I don't know how this works. I've got this one laying on the inside, and I think it looks better on the inside than the outside. But
Okay.
it doesn't fit right. But if I put it on the outside, it sort of fits better. But I don't know. Now this hangs this direction
Right.
up under the fan.
Right.
Anything to avoid the camera.
Okay, it's gonna hang back.
And then all the balls hang down here somewhere.
No, I got
I
them.
think it's got to go on the inside.
Yeah, it does, 'cause it's gonna have that ledge.
So we're just going to have to force fit it somehow.
Okay.
This is going to be like way over the top, isn't it?
Way over the top, my dear.
So I think the best way to do this is to use this wire.
I thought you were supposed to get.
Black, I tried. They didn't have any. They only had gold. This was the only 20 gauge they had at all. And see, 20 gauge we can work with our fingers, and that we can just probably barely work with our
Oh,
fingers.
that works good with your fingers.
It's quite heavier than that, isn't it?
Yeah.
This might be 18 gauge, but it might just be more tempered. I don't know. But we want to use the same wire throughout. Silver or gold.
Well, first gotta.
Silver, gold, silver, gold. I'm sorry. First gotta figure out what we're doing. See, I think the fact that we can cut this longer is gonna make this much easier. Phew! Sound effects. I have a feeling you're saying I wish she'd shut up.
No, I'm trying to think. That's all, baby.
Okay.
Okay. You can get me some tools.
They're right here. There's pliers.
I need something to squish.
This is squish. This is cut. And this is curl. Not to be confused with a hair curler.
Really? Are you sure now?
I'm sure. So how did you do that? You went out through the hole in the frame. And then into the hole in the glass. you went up the hole in the glass.
I'm trying to.
Up the hole in the glass. And then, this is not the easiest thing in the world.
No, it's not.
It didn't help that it didn't come with any instructions either.
Yeah. One time that you actually looked at the instructions.
I look at instructions. I just don't always look very closely. I look enough to say, oh, this is the instructions, and then I throw.
See, once you get it in that thing, you have to angle it so that it fits. Yeah.
Yeah, like I did. But what are you doing with the end of it here? In which direction are you doing the top?
I'm just putting it in right there.
Okay. And then we go in from here and
Yes.
sort of force that to
Yes.
come close.
Yes, that's all. That's the
all
only thing I
we can do.
And
You dropped one.
I have to find it because that really doesn't need to go on the foot.
I'm going to change the way you've got this one. I'm going to force it over here a little closer to. I'm going to bend the metal part, the frame.
Okay.
So I'll do the top ones.
Oh, okay.
You do the bottom ones, I'll do the top ones. Okay? Does that work?
That works.
So now we got all this gold wire that we don't need. I'm going to go in from the inside so that I can hide the end of this better.
Do whatever way you want to do it, dear.
Yes, dear. Try not to break them, right?
Oh, God forbid.
Because we don't have replacements for any of these. Back. It curled on me.
You curled on.
I guess that's what I get for using the curlers, right?
There's the thing there now.
That's okay. I'm gonna just take this curled one out and throw it away.
You might not have enough.
I can switch to the gold if I have to, even though we'll have some silver and some gold. I'd rather have it. I can always straighten those. Thing is, if you bend wire so often, it'll
I
get
know.
weak.
I know.
Yeah, you know. I know you know. I just talk. You know, I can talk for hours without saying anything.
I know. I found that out. I'm sending it over. This
Okay.
top and this top hasn't been done.
There you go. Spin! You gotta get a good spin on it every now and then, right?
Right.
You think those are good enough? Look at what I've done and see if that's good enough.
Yeah.
I mean, it's not as though we're going to be playing Tarzan on this thing.
No, I don't think we will.
So anyway, then I sent them a response back and said, I've read the instructions. There is nothing about the light. There is about how to install the fan. There is not how to install the light part of the light fixture on the fan, which is magnetic and was weird. There is not how to install the light fixture part at all.
No response back.
No response back. I guess I'm going to go in and do it on the rating so that everyone can see it.
Yeah.
You know how that is. Companies tend to really respond to that.
Yeah. I know.
Hold on, I got to pull this one tight. Ready for me to spin?
Oh yeah, go ahead and spin.
Spin! Well, we're getting it. I don't know if it looks right, but it's what it's going to be, right?
That's right.